In this section, we're going to be demonstrating what Arreya's alerting feature might look like to your users and what sort of messages they might see on the screen. Arreya's alerting feature could be triggered by a number of different sources, maybe an emergency notification system, weather alerts, or even a physical piece of hardware like a door entry system or a fever detection system. So in this first example, we're just going to simulate what it might look like if you're using motion detection and somebody walks up to the screen and it nicely asks you to just put on a mask. So we're going to look, it's going to detect my face, and as soon as it receives a notification, it's going to pop up, and it's going to ask me, please nicely mask up, and where I can get a mask if I need one. Over on the other monitor, we're going to simulate what a notification might look like coming from a fever detection system, and in turn triggering a door entry system. So in this case, if somebody walks up and the fever detection system denies them entry, you can use digital signage to indicate to them why they were denied entry.